Assalamu alaikum viewer. If you are facing this problem, engine communication error and this triangle, then you must any model of the HP printer, then you have to remove the side cover of the printer. How you can remove this cover, I have already made a video on it. Just you have to remove this side cover of the board, main board of the power side, and you have to check this logic board. Either your board is working properly or strip are the working properly or not. You can check. Just you have to remove the power. After that you can check this strip. This is the main strip of communication. Either it is in good condition or not. So here you can see that it has been damaged. So maybe this board is not working properly. This error is occurred due to this thing, means this board. So this strip, you have to check the strip and this part. You can also remove this part by self. So we have to fix this one. When you fix this strip, your problem will be solved. This strip has been damaged. That's why this error is occurred. After replacing this strip or after fixing this strip problem, your problem will be solved. If it is okay, then you have to change this part.